Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about the wonderful properties of fennel. Fennel is a wonderful herb that you can use. You can use all parts of the fennel, including the seeds, the essential oil. The root of the fennel is amazing for different sorts of problems and different sorts of symptoms that we might face, and fennel is this wonderful herb that you can use it both in the remedies and as food as well. So it's actually believed to help with so many different things. It's believed by the Romans before to help with problems with eyesight, and also Plenty recommends the herb for dimness of human vision, as he says as well. And fennel has been regarded as a early slimming aid, and the Greeks named marathon because it was literally derived from the verb meaning to grow thin. And in the medieval times also it was known that chewing the seeds of the fennel was absolutely one of their favorite ways in order to stop the gastric rumbles during the church sermon. So quite a funny one, to be honest. But fennel is one of the most popular herbs that are used today, and it's very calming. It's actually considered as a stimulant for the circulatory system and as an anti-inflammatory. And for the nursing moms out there, it helps to promote milk flow as well, and it's a diuretic. So if you take fennel in any way that we talked about today in this video, and if you notice that you constantly go to the bathroom, that's quite common because it is a diuretic. It will help to clean your system out, so there will be a increased number of times that you go to the bathroom in that way, so because it cleanses your urinary tract and your kidneys gently and nicely. So the ways of using fennel, most common ways, is as seeds. You can use the seeds for digestion, and you can also use it to help to promote the milk flow as well if you're having problems with low supply when it comes to that. So the infusion can be taken by the nursing mothers, and it's previously been given to children who have colic. I do not recommend it. There are other ways to help with colic other than fennel. I feel like fennel is quite strong, especially when it comes to giving it to children. So in Chinese medicine, the seeds of the fennel are actually thought to help to tonify the kidney area and the spleen, and also really helping with urinary tract infections. So if you are growing fennel and you want to harvest the seeds, it's best to harvest them when they are first ripe in autumn. And also we have the essential oil, which is super potent, and it's my favorite way of using fennel because honestly I don't enjoy the taste and the aroma of fennel, but I feel like the essential oil provides the best, easiest form of benefits of fennel. So the oil is distilled from the seeds, and it's really prescribed for digestive problems and also as a reliever when it comes to coughs and respiratory illnesses as well. So you can use it for that. And with the oil, I would honestly simply use it as a chest rub. So add about 25 drops of the fennel oil, and then add to it some other oil that also helps with the breathing and that also helps with the immunity. I would recommend thyme oil, or you can use eucalyptus oil. Combine it with another carrier oil in 25 milliliter portions, such as almond oil, and then rub it on the chest. It really helps as well. Another way to use the fennel oil is also using it to help relieve problems with gas as well. You can rub it on the stomach area. So when it comes to the seeds, our favorite way of using the seeds is as a good old infusion. You can make yourself an infusion, and it's considered a powerful digestive remedy because you can drink it after your meals for indigestion and for stomach upsets as well. And another way you can use is to take a tincture from fennel. This is going to be super powerful and really, really great because it's going to be a digestive stimulant, helping with digestive issues as well, and it would work much more quicker than an infusion would. So you can combine the tincture with laxatives such as rhubarb root or senna, because the tincture, when you take it, it can in some situations cause constipation. So I would be aware of that if you have problems already with constipation. then you might not want to take the fennel tincture. You might want to go ahead and just simply make yourself an infusion or try the essential oil. The seeds have also been used as a mouthwash. You can actually use it for sore throats and just gargle with it. So when it comes to the root is not as effective as the seeds because it's usually used in foods. It's mainly now taken the fennel root, to be used for urinary problems. So if you're harvesting the root, it's really nice to use it as a vegetable. And also you can harvest it in the late autumn as well, great for that. So the root, you can make a deconcoction out of it, which is an extremely concentrated form of an infusion, and then you can use it for problems with the urinary tract infection and other things as well. So a little bit of word warning when it comes to using fennel. Fennel is a uterine stimulant, so please avoid during pregnancy, and also make sure that you use small amounts of it in cooking because these are safe. Make sure you don't overdose. Make sure you don't use excess amounts of fennel in all its types, in the seeds, root and essential oil. We've reached the end of our video today. Let me know if it was helpful. I'd love to hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to receive all of the new updates regarding the videos uploaded. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.